Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of Tango application. To log out or sign out of Tango app is a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. Open up the Tango Live application and tap on your profile picture or your avatar at the top left-hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the log out option and then tap on it. Confirm that you'd like to log out of your account by tapping on log out once again, and you have now successfully logged out of your Tango account with just a simple tap. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.